Hi everyone, this is me Haris Mahmood and you're watching my Shiki Tech. So in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can fix the USB problem. Means if your system, your laptop or PC is not supporting, so how you can fix this and how you can enable your USB slots. In my laptop there are 4 slots, but there is not even a single slot is working. So let me show you. I have already inserted the USB, but it's not working and it's not supporting. Even I have checked every single slot of my laptop. So how you can fix this? So first of all you need to restart your system. So I'm gonna restart it. So it will take few seconds. So before restarting it again, you need to press F12. By means of pressing F12 from your keyboard, you will go into the boot menu. First of all, let it restart. So before restarting it, I'm gonna press F12. So just once you press F12, so there is an option comes, so you need to go enter setup, the last option. Here it is. So enter. Now you will find here some settings. So at the top you can see there is main and advanced. So you need to go to the advanced option by means of your keyboard right arrow. So once you go to advanced option, here you will find some option. So you need to go to the USB outside port. Here it is, and as you can see it is disabled, so you need to enable it. So enter from your keyboard and select the enable option, and then go to the and then press, and at the last press F10 to save and exit. As you can see this option, F10 save and exit. So press F10 and say yes, enter. So let it start. And if you want to disable, so same there's the same option you need to follow. You can disable your USB port, and if you want to enable, so follow the same method as I have already told. So let me add the password. Now let's see whether the USB is working or not. Go to my computer. So now you can see the option, there is USB port over here, and reinsert. If I reinsert the USB, so here you will find the option, USB option. So I hope you like this video, and kindly subscribe and like and share our video, and subscribe our channel if you like this. So if you have any question and if you want to know anything, so kindly comment in comment box. So you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.